Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I have not been vlogging. I have not been taking hauls. I've just been chilling. So sad. But today is on 14th of February. Valentine Day is definitely. And I'm here to wish you a happy Valentine Day. And I thought, why not vlog today? Today's kind of special day. So why not vlog it? Why not vlog whatever I'm gonna be doing on my Valentine's Day? So right now, guys, I'm about to go to town. I need to run some errands. I have like a package I need to drop. I also want to go get myself a Valentine gift for myself because I deserve it. I deserve all the love in this universe. So I want to get myself a gift. You're gonna see. So that's what we're going to do in town. And I'm also going to get my mom's her Valentine gift. Okay, so I'm kind of excited. Though you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that red button, rate and subscribe to join my family. Let me quickly show you my outfit of the day so that we can head out. It's exactly at 8:30. Gosh, I'm already late. I needed to be there so early so that I can come back. So I just hope I don't get late, and I have a lot of things to do. I also want to get myself some lashes. My gift. I don't know why these days Sauti yangu inapotea. I need to get myself a gift, my mom's gift, drop the package, and then go also get some lashes because I don't have lashes. Yeah, I also want to take you guys where I get my lashes. So let's go. F72.
F72. Lütfen. F72 inte var. Star inte, stop.
Viatu. Kweli. Hakuna F72. Iko. Iko wapi? Natafuta stall F72. F72. Huko. Asante. Mengia. it's the following day. Today's on 15th February, and I want to show you guys what I got yesterday. I got 3 things. I got the lashes, shoes, and my mom's phone, though I'm not going to show you the phone because she already left and she left with her new phone. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys are my lashes. These are the lashes that I got. They're called Fox Lash Collection. There they are. They are 3 in 1. They are the gram ones, the flatty ones, and the love ones. Is it not love, lax ones? So I got this pair because I didn't get the pair that I normally buy. I normally buy a similar pair, but this cover is in brown, and they have volume, there's sexy in this, and I can't remember the other one, but those lashes were so good, I swear. Because of the volume one, they were just amazing, and the sexy ones, but she told me they were out of stock. So this is where I normally get my lashes, my lip balm. Let me show you my lip balm, though it was also out of stock, but she said she's stocking them next week. So if you're interested, go get. Here's my balm. Yeah, it's called Juicy Melon Victoria Spirit. It's such a nice one. I really love it. And yangu inaisha, though I didn't want to get like a different type, I just wanted the same one. Yeah, I think I'll be in town next week to get the balm. Plus I also get my eyelash glue from her. She has this eyelash glue that comes in a black tin, and it has like something that looks like an eyeliner to apply on the lash. If you normally apply the glue on the lashes or on your eyes and then stick, yeah, it has that pointed brush that looks like an eyeliner brush to apply the glue, and it makes work so easy. So those are things I need to go back next week to town and get. Yeah, I needed to show you guys where I get my lashes because someone was asking me on Instagram where I get my lashes, and there's where I get my lashes. So I got this pair. These ones are going to last me, I think, yani I normally stay with these lashes for such a long time because I'm gonna show you guys how I put my lashes. So my lashes haziaribikangi haraka. I first apply the glue apple, and then I just place the lash after the glue like dries up. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys are my heels. Yesterday I got myself some black heels. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys, these 3 in 1 were going for 250. Yeah, and the next thing I'm going to show you guys, tell me this heel is not sexy, guys. Look at it, hard, sharp, and then the material, see layer panguza, it's kind of like suede-ish. I love it. Yesterday I went to Italy, guys. First, let me show you the heel, and then I give you the story. This was not what I was going for. I'm going to show you guys what I was going for here. Whatever heel that took me all the way to Italy. So I got this one. It's so comfortable, I swear. And then I think when you're buying a heel, especially I have a fat, is it fat foot? Should I say fat or big? I have a big foot, so I can't wear like my normally I wear sneakers 38, size 38, but for heels, imagine I bought a size 40, just that my mguu yangu itosha hapa ndani isikae too weird, though my nails zinafika hapa, but it looks good because mguu yangu haikai nika nimevaa heel kama mtoto. So this is so cute. Let me give you the story now. Nikienda Isili, I was going to a certain mall, sijui inaitwa Tasmin Mall. Yeah, this shop I saw on Instagram. It's called, I've forgotten, Home of Shoes KE. I'm going to insert it here so that you can see the shop's name. So that lady, she normally sells her heels at 1500. Okay, first of all, guys, actually I am all over. These heels I got them for 1800. in Eastleigh. I can't recall the shop because now let me get back to my story so that you can understand why I can't even recall the shop. So when I went to that Tasman Mall, I entered the mall, I started looking for the shop. She said the shop, they are located CG at Tasman Mall, CG shop was it F72? That's what she told me. Because you see, heels, they are not like sneakers. Don't order your heels online if you have never ordered before. For me, I've never ordered heels online, so I wasn't about to risk it. And you know these heels are expensive, so if you risk it, ni hivyo tu pesa yako inaenda unabuy heel kadogo. Like me, I told you I wear size 38. Ningeorder 38 niko sure hiyo kiatu ingenitoshea. You see, I ended up buying size 40. Okay, so as I was telling you guys, mimi nimeenda huko, nimezunguka. I'm trying to follow up the shops. You saw on the video how I was trying to follow up the shops so that I can get to that specific shop. Nafika mwisho naona IZ. And then I just asked a certain madam, kwani where is shop F72? She was like, oh, hakuna shop kama hiyo, au watu wamekukon sijui nini. I was like, no, maybe you don't want me to go and buy things from there. Nikamwambia hebu niambie kuna shop F72 huku. Akaniambia yes there is, but that is a store. It's a, what do you call it? It's a store. It's a store. So akaanza kuniuliza bill, unataka bill number? I'm like, bill? I thought it was a shop for shoes and bags. And then she's like, no, that is a store. These are the belts are kept. I was like, okay. Nikamwambia sawa, hebu niambie iko side gani. Akani explainia kwenye iko. Mimi naenda nafika mwisho. Shops zinaisha F64. And then inaenda nikauliza mwanaume sasa, the owner of the F64, why is F72? He's like, hebu rudi uko ndani, maybe uko ndani uko juu. Nikaona yenyewe hapa nadanganya. Nikazunguka hiyo lane, hizo stalls za F, nikarudi to the same lady. So akaniuliza, so umeamini madam, we are not lying to you, hakuna hiyo shop, they lied to you. Plus it has been mall, it's mostly for clothes, not shoes and bags. Nikamuuliza, so where can I get shoes and bags? She was like, go to the next mall. So if you want to go there, go to the next mall. Okay, I went to the next mall. I got shoes, yes, and bags, but they were not making me happy. So I had a picture of what I wanted. Yeah, I'm going to insert the picture of what the heel I wanted. So I would go, nione tu mtu akona like some fancy heels, because most heels there, they are just not my type. So, and then they are like short heels, and then the heels are big, and they were just not for me. That's not what I had gone there for. So nimezunguka hiyo shoe mall, nimezunguka nikafika to point nikauliza a certain guy there, can I get such heels? He was like, no, you cannot get such heels here. Go to the next. He told me go to the next, the third mall from this one. So mi nimepita another mall, nimepita another one, and then I saw like shoes, so I decided kuingia huko. So nikaanza sasa kuona some fancy heels, not that fancy but kind of fancy. So nikaingia huko, nikazunguka tena, ninauliza watu, until I even got this guy who was like, Ebu, show me those pictures of the heels you want. I gave him this page called Ladies Choice. I told him most heels they're the type of heels that like people want. So if you order those ones, I'm sure that you are gonna sell them so fast. And then usually they will sell for you the heels at 18, 17, probably a bit cheaper, 13, 15 inalingana. So I just told him, you go get these heels are so pretty, people are just gonna buy them. And he was like, okay, I'm going to restock next week. So I don't know if I'm going to go back there again because I was disappointed heels wise, but bags and clothes, get yourself to Eastleigh. There are so many good things there, and they are quality. So that's how I got disappointed, though I ended up buying this heel. It was so pretty. I just saw that shop, and yani niliona tu shop nika feel like I'm new again. I was just so happy. So I decided to like nizunguke kiasi huko, nikikosa nirudi tu kwa huyo mtu. Plus the heel he had was this in blue. It was so sexy, but I just needed a black heel. I mean, I was so tempted to buy the blue one, but I was like, so if I buy the blue one, what am I going to do the blue heel? And yet it was in a black. I really needed a black pair of heel, and I'm so happy. I love this heel so much. It looks so good. I'm so happy about it. It fits me perfectly. You're just gonna see it when I take cute pictures with this heel. So that's it, guys. And I also went and got my mom her phone. Yeah, and she was so happy about it. So thank you guys for watching. Please be careful. You know why I had gone to that shop? They were selling the heels at 15 and they had a Valentine offer of 20%. I literally wanted to order 2 heels because 2 heels, it's just almost at the price of 1 heel. So but sizing tu ndio ilinifanya nijiambie kwani isili ni mbali aje, I can't get there. I was like, let me just go there so that I can even see other like prettier heels. Yeah, so that's what happened. Please be careful, don't buy things online. If you can literally take yourself to that shop, go. The only shop that I know it's legit, it's just Ladies Choice. Ladies Choice is the only shop that I know it's legit. You can buy heels. I have been there before going to other shops. I went there first. I was looking for a black heel, but your time kama they had run out of a lot of heels. They only had like big numbers. So yeah, guys, I have been talking for so long, but I really wanted to tell you guys to be cautious. Please don't order things online. Kwanza these shops that sells things so cheaply, like I was about to buy a pair of heel for 1200, and I'm gonna show you that heel. You can tell me you getting that heel for 1200. What a deal! What a deal! Think twice, okay? So that's it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I love you guys. I'm going to see you on my next video.